How to track your Shein order. First things first is open up your Shein application. And if you haven't created an account yet, just go ahead and create one. It's totally free. And once you've successfully created an account, make sure that you logged in and ensure that you're currently running the latest version of Shein app. Now head straight to your application, and then at the lower right portion of your screen, you should be able to see on the Me tab. Once you're here, you should be able to see fields such as My Orders, which will fall under Unpaid Processing Shipped Review Returns. Just simply hit on View All. So this is where you generally track your order. All orders, simply all the orders that you have um, successfully processed on Shein. Unpaid orders, processing, shipped, review, and returns. So say for example, your parcel or your item that you ordered has already been shipped. You will now then gain access to its order tracking number and as well as the tracking link. Just simply access the tracking link so that you will be able to know what is the current progress of your Shein order. And that's basically it. That's how you track your Shein order.